Hello, today we're going to make a pumpkin using a few shapes and lines, and when we're done we're going to hope that it kind of creates a sense of form, another element of art in which your artwork will look kind of three-dimensional. So we're going to begin kind of in the middle of our paper, and we're going to do a real big oval shape. Now it's okay if it's kind of flat like that because we're making a pumpkin, and they are not perfect shapes either. For our next line though, we're going to start over here towards the top, and I'm going to do kind of half of an oval that comes outwards and towards the bottom. But again, I want to make sure I don't go all the way down. And then same on this side. That side's kind of like the letter C. Then we're going to go ahead and add one more on each side. So I'm going to come down a little bit from the top and just do a little skinny line like so. And one over here. Now it's starting to give our pumpkin some form. Then we're going to add a stem up at the top. I like to make mine curve a little bit and come back down to the top of the pumpkin. Then I'm going to go to that point and add two more lines coming down like so. After this, we're going to add just a couple lines in the back to create a background. So I'm going to have a line coming over here. I'm going to stop when I get to the pumpkin, and then I'll continue it off to that side. Then we go up a little bit and add one more on both sides. That will just kind of give it the illusion of some land back there. If you want to add a few more lines, you definitely could. It's completely up to you. Now that gives us a spot to add two more pumpkins. I'm going to make this one really small to make it look like it's really far away. But I'm going to do it kind of the same way. Start with one circle oval there. This time, because it's really far away, I'm going to just add two more lines to it and maybe a tiny little stem. And then maybe I'll do one more over here, another little one. So I start with that oval, do one more little line on each side. If you want it a little bit wider, you could add one more too. And then a little stem. From here, you guys, we're going to use the rest of our time to start adding some patterns inside each of these spaces. But first, I'm going to give you a marker so you can go over your pencil like I did here, so we see our lines really well. Alright, let's get to it.